SAP S/4HANA Cloud is a next generation enterprise resource planning solution that redefines how businesses operate. Built on SAP's advanced in memory HANA database, it offers unmatched speed and efficiency for managing critical business processes. With capabilities that cover finance, supply chain, human resources, and more, this cloud based system empowers organizations to stay competitive in today's fast paced digital landscape. One of the key differentiators of SAP S4 HANA Cloud is its ability to deliver real time analytics and insights. This ensures that decision makers have the information they need at their fingertips, enabling faster responses to market changes and customer demands. In this tutorial, we'll explore how SAP S4 HANA Cloud simplifies complex workflows, enhances operational efficiency, and integrates cutting edge technologies like AI and machine learning into everyday tasks. Whether you're a small business looking for scalability or a large enterprise aiming for digital transformation, SAP S4 HANA Cloud has something to offer. So, for its key features, first is the real time analytics for smarter decisions. SAP S4 HANA Cloud's in memory computing provides instant access to business data and insights, allowing users to make informed decisions quickly. This enhances visibility into business operations, enabling data driven strategies that improve overall efficiency. Another key feature is its end to end financial management. From accounts payable to revenue forecasting, SAP S4 HANA Cloud automates financial tasks and ensures compliance with global standards. This reduces manual errors and improves the accuracy of financial reports, streamlining audits and compliance processes. Another key feature is its supply chain optimization. So it offers tools for real time inventory management, logistics planning, and supplier collaboration within a single system. This reduces operational bottlenecks, minimizes inventory costs, and ensures timely delivery of goods. Another key feature is the AI and machine learning for process automation. So it automates repetitive tasks, predicts trends, and recommends optimized actions with its AI and machine learning capabilities. This increases productivity and reduces the workload on employees, allowing them to focus on strategic initiatives. Another key feature is its industry specific solutions. So it has pre built configurations tailored for industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and retail, make the implementation faster and more effective. This ensures that the ERP system aligns seamlessly with unique industry needs, maximizing operational effectiveness. Another key feature is its user friendly interface with SAP Fiori. The SAP Fiori design system provides a modern, intuitive user experience across all devices, reducing the learning curve for new users. This improves adoption rates and allows employees to navigate the system efficiently, boosting productivity. Another key feature is its flexible and scalable cloud architecture. Built with scalability in mind, SAP S4 HANA Cloud adjusts effortlessly to the growing needs of your business while ensuring robust data security. This offers cost-effective growth opportunities without compromising performance or data protection. So why is SAP S/4HANA Cloud great or stands out in the competitive market? So SAP S/4HANA Cloud is more than just an ERP platform. It's a holistic solution designed to meet the demands of modern businesses. Unlike traditional ERP systems, it provides unparalleled agility, enabling organizations to adapt to changing market conditions quickly. Its ability to integrate with other SAP and third party solutions enhances its functionality, making it a versatile choice for diverse industries. Additionally, the real time analytics feature gives businesses a competitive edge by offering insights that drive innovation. Whether it's automating mundane tasks or providing advanced customization options, SAP S4 HANA Cloud caters to every business need. So basically, SAP S4 HANA Cloud is a transformative solution for businesses aiming to enhance their operations and achieve sustainable growth. It combines robust functionality, cutting edge technology, and industry specific customization to deliver unmatched value. By automating processes, improving visibility, and providing a seamless user experience, it empowers organizations to overcome challenges and seize new opportunities. So, adopting SAP S4 HANA Cloud is not just about upgrading your ERP system, it's about investing in the future of your business. So, as we navigate an increasingly digital and competitive world, solutions like this are essential for staying ahead of the curve. Whether you're a seasoned ERP user or a beginner, SAP S4 HANA Cloud is a reliable partner in your journey towards operational excellence and innovation. So, if you need more information about SAP S4 HANA Cloud, you can always visit their websites where you can find a bunch of different information, such as key features that I haven't mentioned, and you can request a demo to demo the software. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.